Yeah, so this is a really unique application that you can see requires a lot of creativity. So many distribution customers have they'll distribute to a lot of stores, but they'll have centralized buying, right? So this customer of ours will sell to companies that has 50 stores, 100 stores, and now as they're adding larger customers of theirs, like Verizon and others, right? They're now shipping to 1,000 stores across the United States. So one of the solutions or one of the ways centralized buyers think, right, is they think in large lots, right? They're not thinking about, okay, I got to make one order for one store, one order for the next store. They'd really like to be able to order for all 50 at the same time. That is not a standard shopping cart. And it's something that really you have to bring creativity to. So we created, right, an opportunity for a buyer to act like a buyer. I can now manage all of my stores at one time. I can look at the total orders, and then we can respond to the client, right, with, okay, if you order 50 more of this particular item or device, right, you will get to your next pricing tier. If you change or consolidate an order, or you ship it to one of your warehouses versus direct to the store, you're going to save X amount of money on shipping. So it's a very customer first idea. And in the end is one of the reasons they've added customers and larger customers as quickly as they have. So we call it SKU by store because you're essentially matching each and every SKU you're buying and what store does it go to, how do I ship it, and what is the price. And in the end, you can roll all that up and the buyer can say, okay, this meets my needs, or let me redo the mix a little bit so that I have some spare inventory in the warehouse. And huge customer satisfaction by completely changing the buying method. Now, how do you accomplish that, right? It's the creativity brought to be able to mix in customer knowledge, the merchant's knowledge, and obviously a system integrator that can go build it. And you can do that easily in a system that'll allow right in and out to the base code and being able to mix all of that together.